Hello subscriber. Today we are discussing about how to install the ring lighting system. Have explained about one a single example and how to install one ringing light. These lights have been used in a multiple purpose, but we are discussing about a single example how to install this. Remove the light bulb cover. Each fixture has been a different mounted for a cover. Many have a screw right in the middle and some are around in the outside edge. Remove the light bulb from a fixture. It helps to have a friend work with you so that they can hold the item as you hand them down. Unscrew our nuts holding on a fixture base to the ceiling box. Use a cup or a bowl to keep all the bits and pieces in a one place. Means these tools are most important because it's a part of a fitting of manufacturing. If any nut has been loose or a mishap, then that will be cause a manufacturing fault or any undesigning issues. Lower the fixture base. The base will be hanging from a wiring. Pull the wires through the ceiling box and remove the electrical tape or a wire nuts from a black hot wire. White wire is a neutral and wire, and if the present green ground wire means the green wire shows you a ground. And the main purpose of a ground is protect the device from any short circuit, and also it protect to the human body from a shock. Again, keep any wire nuts with the rest of the screw nuts. Attach the mounting plates to the ceiling box with a screw provided. Use the wire nuts that you saved from a previous fixtures of a electrical tap and might want to use the wire nuts in a time. Locate the position of a mounting screw on the ceiling. Use the lighting tracks as an temple. Have a helper hold to the track in a place while you use a pencil to transfer the location of a mounting hole in a tracking to the ceiling. Drill a hole for a mounting toggles bolts in a ceiling. Mounting manufacturer supplies the fasteners to use if they don't check the instructions of a system waiting and get the toggle bolts from a mounting. This type of an anchor hold the most weight and is not difficult to install. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for securing the track to the ceilings. Threads of a screw should be mounted whole in the track. Then reinstall the toggles to the screw after you pushes or folded to the toggles through the holes in a ceiling or unfold inside the ceiling and providing a secure grip and tightening the screw to the pull and track night and tight the ceilings. Put these wires through the end of a track and attach them on screw terminals. The black and the color wire goes on the brass color screw and the white wires on a grounding wire to the screw. Install the cover plates of an inch to the tracks. The cover plates hides the wiring and follows the manufacturer's directions for mounting the light fixtures. Most fixtures are attached by a sleeping and the slipring or a mounting flange into the center of a channel track and then tuning the fixture to the force of a flange under a track so that it contact to the internal wiring. Check the instruction and the determination and the maximum number of fixtures you track can handle overload the circuit and the breaker will be popped to much that you will think our well re-witchers in living in your basements. Means if any light or any improvement in a system means need to know about the main breaker position. If any install a heavy load on it and these breakers will be tripped means overloading on a wiring or overloading on a breaker means it's give any troubleshooting or any damages on a wiring, so that is clearly check this properly wiring and then you will be stop these type of any development or any extra load on any wiring. Thanks. In this video I have clearly explained about how to install a tracking light on a system. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and support to the technical engineering. For more video please subscribe my channel to get the updated video about the technical things. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me.